Hey guys, welcome back to another episode on how to crypto. In this video, I will show you how to delete Trust Wallet account. If this is something that you are interested in, then make sure to follow all the steps and watch this video till the end. Now before we start the video, if you're new to our channel, make sure to subscribe and turn on the notification so that you won't miss any future upcoming videos from our channel. Now let's get into the video. Firstly, open up the Trust Wallet app and get logged into your Trust Wallet account. There, from the home page, tap on gear icon which says settings at the bottom right of your screen. Now from the settings page, tap on wallets option. Now in order to delete your Trust Wallet account, just slide this main wallet to the left. And once you do that, a pop-up menu will appear on your screen. Now, if you're sure to delete your Trust Wallet, then tap on this delete button. And once you tap on delete button, your Trust Wallet account will be permanently deleted. Now that was the quick and easy process on how to delete Trust Wallet account. Hope you liked and found this video helpful. If you did, make sure to subscribe, share and give this video a thumbs up. I will be back with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.